Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to cover the Wrap Text tool on Microsoft Word. So in the previous video, I showed you how you can enter images into your Microsoft Word document. The issue with that though is once you enter in your image, depending on where you place it, you may place it in a similar spot like mine where it's actually in line with the text. And once we actually place it in line, you can see that it leaves a bit of white space here, and that may not be the look that you're going for. But great news, there is actually a tool called Wrap Text where we can go ahead and change the placement of this text. So let's go ahead and highlight our image or go ahead and click on our image. So now that our image is in focus, you should see this option right here, which is the Wrap Text. But you can also come over here to Picture Format and come over here to Wrap Text, and it does the exact same thing. So let's cover some of the different options. So right now it's using the In Line with Text, but there's also this Square option, which goes ahead and fills up that white space and creates kind of a more of a square as opposed to what you're seeing here with the inline. There's also Tight, which is very similar to Square, just kind of brings in a little bit tighter. There's Through. There's Top and Bottom. So top and bottom, you can see, just drops the text below the image. There is the Behind Text. So it actually has the image appear behind the text. It's kind of hard to see though, depending on the text color and the color of your image. You may have to have an image that's pretty opaque and where you're actually able to see the text. Because right now, imagine someone trying to read this. They'd be like, what is this guy doing? Did he even look at this before he sent us this document? There's also this other option here that says in front of text. So right now, the image is actually on top of the text. So you can see it's cutting off part of the text. So that may not be what you want. And you can also come over here to more layout options and explore those. And then you can also choose to set as a default layout if you make any changes to it. So those are some of the different wrap text options that are available for you after you enter your images on Microsoft Word.